Hey YouTube, I'm back. I ended up getting this panel welded it both sides. Got the rear floor pan. I have yet to put seam sealer on, but everything looks pretty good. Turned out pretty good for the most part. Was not a super hard job. I had to make quite a few parts, as you can see this panel here. I got some body filler I'm gonna have to put in here, but it's not too bad. I have replaced this whole corner. I made a piece down in there. I don't know if you could see it. It's domed, and I think I'm gonna cut this out and re-weld another section in there, because as I got looking at it, it was rotted up through this corner. I guess the next step is going to be probably that side. Yeah. And I'm curious to see how bad that back panel is. I'm probably just going to replace it to be on the safe side. Might as well do it. But it's pretty rotted. One thing I can say, I ordered these panels through Quadratrack, and boy, pretty dirty in here. The rear panel here, when I was putting it in, I wasn't sure, so I popped out all the spot welds, and this panel actually goes up and underneath the back, so it was a little chore. I had to chisel off the back side and get under there. It was not too bad, but it was one of those things. I thought the pan would just set inside of here, so anybody looking to throw a pan in, just be aware that you don't want to cut this lip off, because the actual rear pan slides underneath and then has a cutout to go up and around this corner here. Front pan, it's not bad. The hardest part was getting in there. You can see where the gap is there. I'll probably climb up underneath and weld in another piece and seal it off really nice. I just wanted to show everybody where I was at with it. Probably won't do any seam sealer until I get the other side done, so I could apply it all at the same time. Yep. Just want to touch base with everybody. Hopefully this helps anybody. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. If I don't answer right away, I eventually will. Thanks.